Hello folks, today we are learning how to use a smoke machine for leak detection. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into one of the most useful tools for any DIY mechanic, the smoke machine. This is a game changer for finding those annoying vacuum leaks, evaporation leaks, intake leaks, and even exhaust leaks quickly. This is the Smoke Master Model 701. It's a compact portable smoke machine with a compressor built in, so you don't need an extra compressor to power it. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set it up, how to use it safely, and walk you through a real-world test on a vehicle. You have the switch on the front with the indicator lights. In the back, you have where to connect the smoke hose and the DC power. Make sure you install the hook. Go ahead and fill it up with smoke fluid. Follow the instructions. Make sure you do not overflow it. In my case, I had to remove some fluid to make sure that it was at that max level. Go ahead and hang it up. Connect your cables to the battery, red with red, black with black. At this point, the compressor will start. And to turn the smoke on, just flip the switch. We're doing a vacuum leak test through the air inlet. So step one, with the engine off, remove the L filter box. Take the rubber cone adapter that came with the machine and firmly insert it into the air inlet. Hook up the hose to the cone inside the inlet and let the smoke build up. Use a flashlight and check around these areas. Intake manifold gaskets, throttle body, PCV valve, you name it. In my case, the smoke was coming out of the valve cover gasket. And that is it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.